Hi, seventh graders. Mr. Anhabdi. Here's what we did Friday, the 25th before Memorial break, and then today, the 29th of May. First, you evaluated your adaptations t-shirt assignment. You met with your lab group, shared your work, and scored them out of 8 points. And I collected everything, and we'll update your scores today. After that, you participated in an adaptation writing lesson, and then the test update, which I guess was important because let's see. So the test update involved canceling the June 5th or June 6th multiple choice test, which is good news for you, I imagine, because you already did your t-shirts today in class, and last week you wrote essays on adaptation. And then you'll be doing a natural selection assignment choice during our next class. Skip the May 30th date and the May 31st due date. We're changing May 31st. Sorry. So we're going to do this in class. It'll be part of class, and it'll be due on the first and second step. So with that date is different. There's no multiple choice end of year test. Instead, we'll work on a cladogram assignment the last day of school. You'll do that all in class. All right, which brings us to today, which was the adaptations writing workshop. And you're addressing that question. How do adaptations increase the success of some species in particular environments? We looked at the panther chameleon from the Life episode we watched last class, and you brainstormed all the possible adaptations this organism has to survive. And you just copied down a bubble map on the right side of your notebook. So we went through different adaptations they have. At that point, I gave you a sample paper about panther chameleons, and you read that at your tables. So after all of that, we replaced panther chameleon here. So I came and randomly assigned you an animal, ranging from armadillos to eyes to octopi, and there's all kinds of stuff. Snow leopards, camels. So whatever your table got, you researched for 15 minutes. So on the left side of your notebook, you made your own bubble map for your own animal. And after 15 minutes were up, you received these directions. You actually had about 30 minutes to write a couple paragraphs about adaptations. So you composed an essay about your organism. And in doing so, you would have hit this target by explaining how adaptations increase the success of your organism in its environment. So there's a lot of quiet writing. Most people typed those on Google Docs and shared them. Some people wrote them on paper. Either way. So you finished that in class today. Most of you, some of you took it home. Make sure you share that with me. It's required. It counts as the written portion of your test. The idea here is you could really take any organism on Earth, plant or animal or bacteria or whatever, research it for a while for some adaptations, and then write like a paper about it without too much work. It's really possible. Okay, so that is it. There was no homework. Have a great night. Stay cool. Bye.